Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Elementor in WordPress. If you're looking to create a professional-looking site without touching any code, Elementor makes the entire process visual and intuitive. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage everything related to your website. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages. From there, select Add Page. This creates a new blank page that you'll transform into something stunning. After the page is created, you'll see an option that says Edit with Elementor. Click on that to launch the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, look for the folder icon at the top of your screen. This is your gateway to a huge library of pre-built templates that can save you tons of time. Click on the folder icon to open the starter template library. You'll see two main tabs here, Block and Pages. The Block tab contains individual sections you can use, while the Pages tab offers complete page layouts. Scroll down through the options and browse until you find a pre-built template that matches your vision. Once you've found the one you like, click Insert and then select Apply. This will load the entire template onto your page, giving you a solid foundation to work from. With the template loaded, it's time to customize it and make it your own. You can click on each container within the template to modify its contents. Let's say you want to add an image. Simply click on the container where you'd like the image to appear. From the left menu that pops up, select Choose Image. This gives you the option to either upload new files from your computer or select something from your existing media library. Once you've picked your image, click Insert and it'll appear in that container. This process is super straightforward and lets you quickly swap out placeholder images with your own branding. You can also customize the text throughout your page by clicking on any text container. This opens up editing options where you can change the wording, adjust fonts, modify colors, and tweak sizing to match your style. Take your time here to ensure the messaging aligns with your brand and speaks to your audience effectively. Once you're happy with your changes, it's important to save your work. Look to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Save Draft right beside the Publish button. Click Save Draft to store all your edits without making the page live yet. This allows you to continue refining your design until everything is perfect. And there you have it, you've successfully built a website using Elementor in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.